What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we are going to go over this 3-piece magnetic bit holder set. Got this from Temu. I actually bought it because for one, it looks cool, and for two, it's very cheap. 1, 2, 3. Alright you guys, so it's time to have some fun with these magnetic bit holders. I have my Ryobi bit set right here. So now we're focused in. Gonna put our bit in, and there you go. Alright you guys, so if you have a bit like this, which I showed y'all upstairs, if I put that video in here too, but you go ahead and put your magnetic bit holder on. It should slide right on in. Alright, so it slides right in. Alright, and you can lift up and down. Now I need to get a screw. Alright you guys, so I have a 3-inch screw right here, and what you can do with your magnetic bit holder is push it up and then it's in. That's full speed. And you have no problem. It's magnetic. Alright, you guys, I love this thing. I love these. For $2 to $3 you get two. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Don't ever do that. Ouch. I should have known better. Alright, so for $2 to $3, 3 of these things are not bad. Once again, I got them from Temu, but if you are an Amazon fan, I would try to look them up on Amazon, and I will plug you in some links from the ones on Amazon.